Singapore, with its perfect blend of modernity and cultural diversity, has become an enticing destination for Indian travelers. Its world-class infrastructure, efficient public transportation, and a thriving economy make it an ideal place to explore. For Indians seeking a taste of home away from home, Singapore offers a multitude of Indian restaurants, temples, and cultural events that provide a sense of familiarity. Additionally, the ease of language communication due to English being widely spoken in Singapore is an added advantage for Indian tourists. From visiting iconic landmarks like Marina Bay Sands and Gardens by the Bay to exploring vibrant neighborhoods like Little India and Chinatown, Singapore offers a diverse range of experiences that cater to the interests of Indian travelers. Another reason why Singapore is popular among Indian travelers is its shopping paradise and entertainment options. Singapore hosts the annual International Indian Film Academy (IIFA) Awards and countless live shows featuring Indian artists throughout the year. The city-state is also famous for its theme parks like Universal Studios Singapore and the mesmerizing Night Safari, providing thrilling adventures for both children and adults. With its welcoming atmosphere, modern attractions, and a sense of familiarity, Singapore offers a memorable travel experience for Indians seeking an international getaway. Direct flight options from India to Singapore provide convenient access to the city-state. Airlines such as Singapore Airlines, Air India, Indigo, and Scoot offer direct flights from major Indian cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai to Singapore's Changi Airport. The flight duration typically ranges from 4 to 6 hours, depending on the chosen departure city. With the availability of direct flights, traveling to Singapore from India has become easier and more accessible than ever before. If you are eating at food centers or working at co-working spaces, particularly within the central business district, you may notice empty tables with strategically placed items like umbrellas, tissue packets, or lanyards on the seats. This is a local practice to choke or reserve a seat while everyone is queuing up at the stalls. Tipping is not expected in Singapore. If you're eating out in a restaurant or cafe, there is usually a 10% service charge included in the bill. Some places may have a tip box, but otherwise, additional tips are not mandatory or expected, though they are appreciated in the service line. There's no need to buy bottled water in Singapore. The tap water here is treated and perfectly safe to drink. You'll find that most attractions have water coolers where you can refill your reusable bottles while you're out and about during the day. The crime rate in Singapore is also relatively low, with lots of surveillance and a police force that people trust in.